Our problem is sharing a bunch of files between a group of users. So there are many solutions that will allow us to do this. One of the easy one is to use a Dropbox share, or there are many other solutions that are similar, like Google Drive and others. So when I am trying to convince you to use a web platform as our sharing tool or the instrument that we are going to use to share information among the consortium of users, I have to make a very convincing case to you why we should go through this trouble of using it. Because in the very beginning, this solution might look a little bit more complicated than using the Dropbox or a Google Drive. I have been using a very similar online platform to share information within my research group. Every year I get a number of master students who will do thesis with me, and there are a number of PhD students who are working with me as well. In the last 10 years, I have been using an internal platform that is very similar, even though a little bit maybe less user friendly because the technology was old 10 years ago. Very similar platform, and I am convinced that this system works in the medium and long term very well. So I think the effort you spend in the very beginning to spend about half an hour for 1 hour to learn the strings of using the system is well worth the effort, because in the long term we have a very well documented and a safe place where we store all our information related to the project. I have created a number of videos to show how you can use this system conveniently. In this video, I'm going to show you what are the features of this system that makes it an excellent choice of collaboration or sharing information. One of the things I really like about this tool is this search bar. I have noticed that many users will use this search bar extensively to find information that they want to get their hands on. For example, I want to search for some Skype meeting because I vaguely remember that there was some information related to the Skype meeting. So if you just click it, you can see under work package 9 and work package 1, there are entries called Skype. So if you go there, you can see that there is a set of minutes of a Skype meeting here. So that is one of the conveniences of this system. It's much more efficient in searching and providing you with information than the typical Dropbox, Google Drive, or anything else. In the beginning, this really does not matter, because in the beginning, maybe we have about 5, 6, or a handful of documents. But as the situation matures, when we have hundreds of different documents, this feature becomes really useful in my experience. Another feature that is really useful is this. When you upload the document to the system, let's say this document called meeting minutes of work package 9 work distribution held on February 2017. So let's say this user called root has uploaded the first version of this document. Then later, somebody else can can download this document, work on it, and upload the new and updated version. When you do that, you will never overwrite the old version of the documents. All the versions are kept here. So if you want to look at, okay, what was the editing trail of a document and who did what, when, you have all those things automatically recorded on this platform. What you simply have to do is, if there's a document on the platform, download it, edit it, re-upload upload the new version of the file, and the system will take care to record all the details of what happened. So that's another very useful feature. And the same thing applies to pages. If you go to, for example, the main page, everybody can edit anywhere in this system. So it's a very democratic system. Everybody can edit. So one of the dangers of allowing that kind of freedom within the consortium is inadvertently somebody can destroy information. This platform makes it next to impossible to destroy information. For example, let me do something drastic. I will edit the main page, and unknowingly I have deleted everything, let's say, and saved my version. So next time when you visit the system, you will see that the main page has gone. However, if you look at I will not do it here, I will just, because there are other videos in the series showing how these things are done in detail. But if you go to the page history, there is a record of what happened and when. So if you made a mistake, simply go to the point where you made the mistake and press undo, and the system will automatically undo that error. And sometimes even you can compare versions of the page. How did the page look like somewhere here with now? It's a very advanced use, but still, you can see it gives a lot of information how this document has evolved. In fact, if somebody is interested, you can keep almost all information as pages like this, but for the purpose of internal file sharing platform, I don't recommend that. We want to share files like Word files, PowerPoint files, zip files, and so on. So then what we do is we simply upload those files here. For example, in work package 9, as I showed you, there are different files here. We have a video explaining how to upload a completely new file and also how to upload a different version of an existing file. Please have a look at those videos to get the details. But perhaps this is the most common way we are going to use this platform. We have our documents and we upload them here so that other people can either download them or they can download, edit them, and upload new versions of those files. So this way the collaboration goes on safely and efficiently. So I really hope that you will be convinced about the use of this system and get around to use it and have a lot of fun. Thank you.